Wow, what do you have right now?
Exercise.
Oh, surprise eggs. How many surprise eggs do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 surprise eggs. And what are the colors of the surprise eggs?
Orange and pink and blue and purple and green and yellow.
Good job. So you want to open the surprise eggs?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you want to open first?
This one.
Go ahead. Wow, who is that?
Percy.
Percy. Wow. Can I see it? Wow, can you turn it around?
His face.
Yeah, can you show us the face of Percy? Oh, what's the color of Percy?
Green and yellow.
Green and yellow. Good job. What's the next surprise egg you're going to open?
Green.
Green. Go ahead. Wow. Who is that?
It's Emily.
Emily. Can I see it? Wow, what's the color of Emily? What's the color of Emily?
White and dark
Dark green?
and brown.
Wow, good job, Deron. Can you show us her face? She's pretty. Okay, what's next, Deron?
This one.
What color is that egg again?
Yellow.
Good job. Oh, yellow egg. And, ooh, who is that?
Sorry.
That's Charlie. What's the color of Charlie?
Purple.
Purple. Wow, can I see her face? Or rather, his face. Can I see Charlie's face? Ah, there you go. That's Charlie, kids. Okay, who's next, Deron?
This one.
Who is that? Oh, that's a pink car. That's a pink car. Cool. That's a pink car. Okay, that's nice. And can you open the last 2 eggs?
Open the pink egg.
Who is that, Deron?
Thomas.
Thomas. Wow. What's the color of Thomas?
Blue.
Blue. Can you show us his face? Oh, so cute. What's the number on the side of Thomas?
1.
1. Good job. Oh, you connect them together, huh? They're like, oh, cool. Okay, and the last egg? Who's that, Deron?
Diesel dead.
Diesel 10. Wow, can you show us his face? Oh, he's cute also. Good job, Diesel 10 is there at the back. Wow, so they can travel together. They are the minis, right?
Look at this wheel.
Yes, the wheels are working. Oh, wow, can you get it?
That's fun.
Okay. Can you show us that pink little car? It's a beetle. It's a beetle, right?
I told to be a look.
How about a train? Chugga chugga chugga. Oh no! Can you connect Percy to Charlie? This way. There, go. You like them?
Yeah.
You like them Thomas and Friends minis?
Yeah, and beetle.
And a beetle.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you later next time. Bye.
Thank you for watching, kids. Bye-bye. Oh, that's so nice.
Oh no.
What happened?
Oh no, glass.
Oh no. That's nice, Deron. You like the Thomas and Friends minis?
Yeah. And with Percy.
Okay, Percy's the leader, huh? Not Thomas?
Not Thomas and Emily.
Where are they going?
They are going to the studio.
To the
Yeah.
That's nice, Deron. I like that.
They're going to the studio.
So you can connect them all together so they can go and travel and have fun. Right?
Oh no, they're in trouble. Oh no.
Oh no, they're in trouble. Whoa. Oh no, there's that Percy. What happened to Percy again? Oh, Percy, poor Percy.
Fire.
Look at that Percy,
There's
guys.
a fire.
There's a fire, and that is Charlie, guys, and that's Diesel 10 right there, and Thomas, the cutie Thomas, and Emily.
Percy got glass. It has fire. Oh
no, no.
Fire.
Okay, poor Percy.
There's a fire.
Can you help Percy, Deron? Chugga 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 choo choo. Chugga chugga choo choo. What happened to your beetle? She's all by herself and she's alone. She's sad. Can you play with the beetle as well?
It's gonna be happy.
Yeah. Oh, there you go. Beetle is gone. Oh no. How about the train? Oh no, what happened to Percy again? Oh, you get Percy. Alright kids, so there are 70 minis that you can collect. And right now we have how many, Deron?
1, 2, 3, 4.
And Percy? Percy, 5. So right now we only have 5. And there's a whole bunch more that Darren's going to collect soon.
Yay!
Yes. So I hope you enjoyed our videos, kids, and do watch out for more.